Hey guys, this is Subramani. You are watching me on my YouTube channel Witty Jester. Today I just come up with two important updates. As you know, I used to post lots of job updates and tech videos. And if you are watching my video for the very first time, this is Subramani. I am a budding data scientist from Tamil Nadu. I used to post lots of tech videos, job updates, and motivational content for those who are looking for a job change from one domain to the another, and especially for freshers and those who work in night shift to have a very good career transition. So my videos will be very much helpful for everybody in the IT sector and those who want to step into the IT sector. In today's content, I just going to give you two important updates. One is about there are several positions that are available as a referral drive in an organization. Due to certain reasons, I don't want to mention the name of the organization, but I will give you a clear idea about what are the profiles available, and you can drop your resume to the email id that I'm going to give you. Again, it is a very just email id which is already attached in the below description. So once I feel that your profile is the perfect fit, I will be processing them and you will get a call, and personally I will address you and I will give a clear cut about the organization and what kind of role you are going to play with. And secondly, also I met many people who are actually approaching for certain trainings on certain trainings in different technologies. So what I thought is from the September I just going to start my own training sessions, such that some people are capable to learn by themselves, whereas certain people they need some guidance, especially for freshers and those who look for a career transition who literally lost some touch. So if you are into that category, again, this 150-day tech battle, which I named as a Tech Boss. However, I think from September and Star Vijay, the Tamil Big Boss is going to get started, right? So I'm going to launch this Tech Boss. So hardly 1 hour a day, if you spend, you can definitely have a very good career transition or a career change in your career. So with no further delay, let me give you a complete view about the 150-day tech plan that I have designed, and it's completely based on my past previous 3 years experience and also the important job updates that I have for the upcoming days. And this job update is like from August to November or December of 2021. So you have lots of vacancies in this referral drive. So with no further delay, let's dive into the today's episode, and please do subscribe my channel and follow me in Instagram and LinkedIn to have a frequent communication with me. Let's get started. Hey guys, so now before explaining about these job updates, let me show you the quick overview about the 150 days plan. Whereas in the next episode, I will give you a detailed description about that 150 days plan, which is highly helpful for freshers and those looking for a career transition. And I will also give the a link in the below description. So from this donut chart, you can understand in this 150 days what I'm going to concentrate. So among the three technologies we're going to concentrate with 10 days for interview guidance. So starting with SQL will be covered for 40 days, which is nothing but a 40 sessions, and Python 70 sessions, Tableau 30 sessions, and interview guidance, portfolio setup. All this involves 10 days. So showing quickly, so this is about the concepts. I'm not explaining you about the syllabus. It's all about the shortcut in a short span of time, how you can get prepared for the interview, and even after going to the field, how you can survive. Based on my 3 years of interview preparations, I have designed this. So basic level preparations, advanced level interview preparations. So weekly slot, and then daily slot and weekly slot, everything is available. And at the end of the session, what are the roles you can apply, what will be your salary. Similarly for Python, what are the different sessions, what are the weekly session available, daily session available, what are the roles you can apply, what will be your salary. And regarding tab and again regarding Tableau, what are all the topics and what are all these sessions. Again, they are not a clear topic I have mentioned here. Only after having a personal discussion with each and every candidate, and after finalizing the start day of the batch, I will send you the detailed syllabus. Almost everything will be covered there. And finally, regarding the total interview preparation, the climax part, what are all I will be covering. So in my next video, in detail, I will explain each and everything of this. So please don't fail to watch that particular video, which I have added in the below description as well as in the above card. So now let's enter into the job updates. So we have different vacancies, and this referral drive is for throughout the year because they are in need of many number of candidates. So what are the roles available is like SDET. SDET is again a software development environment for testing is actually people who are in the testing side, they are aware about it. SDET, data analyst, senior data analyst, cloud data engineer, DevOps specialist, Adobe AEM developer, full stack developer, web analytics specialist, and SEO specialist. So let's dive into the roles. So first thing is for VTGester 2021 referral drive throughout the year. As a data analyst, these are the key skills you are required: SQL, Oracle, Python, and SQL in an advanced level. For a senior data analyst, and it doesn't mean that everything you are should capable about. You should be good either in SQL or Oracle. If you have any one programming knowledge, it is fine. Even though programming knowledge is not, that's not a big deal. And Excel. So among these four technologies, at least two technologies you must be good enough with. So that is the entire constraint is about. For senior data analyst, again, SQL, Oracle, or Python, and you should have good understanding about any one visualization tools. Not an expert level understanding, but an intermediate level of understanding. So that is required. So next, cloud engineer, you should have a database skill, a programming skill, networking skill, cloud service providers, web services and APIs, information security, AWS, and a Salesforce Commerce Cloud. If you are capable to cover at least 50% of these technologies mentioned here, you can opt for that role. Then senior tableau specialist. So you should be capable to create efficient dashboards and store in publishing and storing and strong in publishing techniques. And AEM or Magento engineer, you should be familiar with Maven develop building tools or GitHub version control along with HTML, CSS, JavaScript knowledge. So these are the requirements for these technologies listed here. And next is about technical manager, full stack developer. So here they not mentioned about how many years of experiences. So at least apart from this data analyst, if you have 1 year of experience, or even if you are a fresher, you can apply for this data analyst role. Apart from that, for all the other roles with at least 2 years of experience, you can apply it. And if you are good in one technology and if you are planning to migrate to that particular technology, you can develop your resume in that way, and again your storytelling skill will place you in the role which you are actually fascinated with. So as a full stack engineer, you should be good in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Java, or Python. These are all the requirements they have given. For DevOps specialist, version control, continuous integration servers, configuration management, and deployment automation. For Adobe AEM developer, again Maven building tools, GitHub version control, all these are listed here. So I think two different roles are there: AEM Magento engineer and Adobe AEM developer, and SDET. So and regarding SDET and performance engineer, there is no sufficient information. So if you're already into that profiles, you can give a try. So they're already having a vacancy for these profiles. So almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 roles. There are actually 10 roles listed here. So we're having vacancy for these 10 roles. So for people who don't know about AEM, it actually stands for Adobe Experience Manager. It's kind of a content management system. You can think about your WordPress. So it's similar to the WordPress actually. So AEM allows users and companies to easily build their websites, apps, and to manage web apps and content. So these are all the things they are required. So you can understand from this, right? SQL, Python, they actually, and Tableau, they have their unique value. Again, cloud technologies, AWS, Salesforce Commerce Cloud. This database skills have some more values. So as a fresher, if you are watching this video, you get some idea like what are the technologies they are in demand. So if you fit any of these profiles with minimum 1 year of experience for data analyst or even as a fresher, and for all the other technologies with minimum 2 years of experience, please comment over this video that you have dropped your resume to the email ID that you have provided, the registered email ID that you have provided. I will go through your resume, I will make a call, and I will send this for a referral drive. Please don't fail to follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn such that you can see regular updates and be a part of this journey of my YouTube channel, and go and serve the YouTube channel playlist COVID job updates. You will get lots of HR email IDs which I have already listed. They are evergreen HR email IDs. You can send your resumes directly to them, and for these roles you have to send your resume to my email ID and you have to comment it. Only then I will get to know that you have sent an email. So every day I will be checking the comment box, and in the next video, I will be clearly explaining you about this 150-day plan. If you are an experienced candidate, if you are interested in teaching, please contact me because I am in need of people to teach the candidates. And if you are experienced candidate and if you see any candidate you are approaching for a job and if they are lacking with skills, kindly share this video URL because it enlightens their career. So until catching you with my next episode, this is Subramani. Don't fail to subscribe my YouTube channel. Meet you in the next video. Bye.